And I'm Amy, and today we'll be teaching you how to convert mBar.pp O2 to percent O2. Here's a picture of one of our products. It's the Analox Sub MkIIP. As you can see, the oxygen sensor is reading 179 mBar partial pressure O2. This is the value that we'll be converting into percent O2.
For the conversion, we must first know the depth in meters seawater, as we need to know the absolute pressure. In this case, it's 0 meters seawater.
As you can see here, the conversion equation is as follows. To get percent O2, we first need to see mBar O2 partial pressure in oxygen. Then we also need to talk about the absolute pressure, also in mBar, and then we times this by 100.
To find the absolute pressure, we must first do the second equation. Absolute pressure in mBar is equal to meters seawater plus 10 times 100. If meters seawater is 0, then use the same conversion equation above. We can now see that percent O2 is equal to mBar partial pressure O2 divided by meters seawater plus 10, which is 179 divided by 0 plus 10, which is equal to 179 divided by 10. Then your answer is 17.9%.
We also have a link in the description below that will take you to an Excel sheet that will do the calculations for you. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been useful to you.
For any more useful information, additional links, and any extra FAQs, check the link in the description below.
Please don't hesitate to contact customer support for any other information or any other issues that you have.
Move to blackboard. Hello.